In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall ComfyUI from your Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to click Start menu, and here I see ComfyUI is there. If you don't find, you can directly click over there and start typing like that, ComfyUI. There are different ways to uninstall it. The easiest option is just right click and then it will bring this type of menu. From here, choose the last option, uninstall. Just click over there and then it will open like this type of page. From here you will see ComfyUI is there. If you don't find it, you can click here, search app, and then you can find it. And once you're there, just click this three dot and then choose uninstall. And very shortly it will bring on window like this app and its related information will be uninstalled. Just press uninstall button and very shortly it will start installation and it will give you this type of window, which is the uninstaller window. I just need to click next, and then it is showing from where it is going to uninstall. So this is standard. Choose what to remove, so standard, and this is the location I downloaded over there, and I'm going to press the next button. It will take a few minutes to completely uninstall, and once the installation is done, then you will find this type of confirmation message. Just click the finish button and it will be gone. And that's it. In this way we can easily uninstall the ComfyUI from our Windows computer.